Hi, this is Jennifer Kane with Kane Consulting, and this is this week's blog post in about a minute. So if you've been online a lot, you've probably seen a lot of blog posts about why your business should get on Pinterest. And I'd like to offer another argument to the table, some 5 reasons why your business may not want to be on Pinterest. The first of which is your target market on Pinterest? Because Pinterest has a very definitive demographic, and it's not really a good fit for all businesses. And secondly, do you think that your business can maintain an active presence on Pinterest? It is another social network that will require care and feeding, and do you have the time for it? Thirdly, is the information that you have to share visually interesting, or is it just kind of stock photos of things that you're doing? If it's visually interesting, it may be a really good fit for Pinterest, or if you're a consumer products company. If not, that may not be a good fit. Fourth, the other thing that you may want to consider is that if you're sharing information on Pinterest that your company does not own, you may be opening yourself up to some legal liability, and I talk about that a little bit in the blog post. And then the 5th reason, which is kind of an unusual one, is nudity. There are a lot of naked chicks on Pinterest and other photo sharing sites like Pixie. And those are things that are going to pop up in the course of you doing business on Pinterest. And is that something that's going to fly in your office? Or is that something that's going to freak somebody out? So those are some things to think about. If you'd like to talk more about Pinterest or anything really, you can join us in one of our social channels at kaneconsulting.biz.